Yeah, I think since we're on this topic of qualifications and the difference between qualifications and not having qualifications, and I know you're going to really hate me and kill me for saying this, but at the same time, you're working towards your PhD now. So there is obviously some benefit that you personally derive from a formal academic environment. What is the benefit there?
Definitely, I wouldn't say that there's no benefit. One of the benefits that you take from doing university programs, PhDs, masters, is the dissertation you write, the buhuth that you have to do. These researches, that definitely you learn from it how to research, what books to rely on, what kind of methodology you should take when you're writing your bahth. It's not just merely just throw this naqal here and just throw this naqal here. You have to organize even the evidence from strongest to weakness. وهكذا. Your bahth has to be done in a amiq way. The book that you're going to be using, it has to be consistent from the same tab'a. All these are things that would be picked up from. And while I was in this Mamlaka, Saudi Arabia, what I would do is I used to try to go to these where they do niqashat ilmiya, where they do niqashat of the dakatir. Even when I was in Egypt, even recently when I went to Egypt, I go Azhar. They stick on the wall that there's going to be a thesis research of Fulan ibn Ali. You don't know who it is, but you look at whatever researches are happening that are going to take place, and if it amazes you, you go and you listen, and you see how they basically interrogate the person and how the lajna talk to him. So I found that to be very beneficial from these PhDs and from these academic studies, Islamic academic studies. But as for knowledge, as for gaining Islamic knowledge from it, personally, I didn't think I found that from it. And I also didn't find the tarbiyah that you get from a sheikh if you sat with him and just watch him do things. And I also think the jami'at, they don't give that to you as a student. You actually lose all of that. They take, even if you did have it in the beginning and you go there, sometimes it can take that away from you. Yeah, it can. It can. إِلَّا مَنْ رَحِمَ رَبِّي. That is taken from the halaqat, to be very honest. You get that from the halaqah.